Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Basic Home Tech. Please, if this is your first time watching Basic Home Tech, do well to press the subscribe button, then the notification button, so that anytime we release a new video, you receive a notification to watch. Today we have here Amcon TV. So I'm going to teach you how to scan for your free-to-air digital terrestrial stations on your Amcon TV.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Even though this TV is already scanned, but then I'm going to initiate the process from the beginning so that you know how to do it. Now, when you go to your menu, first of all, you have to go to your input. As you can see, we have DTV, ATV, AV. So the DTV is the digital TV, the ATV analog TV. So you set it to, you press your input on your remote. As you can see, we have our input here. Yeah, input. So you press the input and you see up and down, the up and down arrow keys to select the DTV. Then you press OK. Now when you are done, you come to look for menu on your remote. So the menu is here. You go to menu. So this is it. Then use your down to go to the channel. Then you press OK. So when you press OK, it will now bring you here. We have country. Let's see if we can find Ghana. Let's see if we can find Ghana. Okay, so here we have Ghana. So the TV connection, you see we have air, cable, satellite. When you are scanning the digital antenna, always make sure that you select either air when you have air or terrestrial when you have terrestrial. In Ghana, we are not using cable, but then the satellite has to do with the dish. We don't have any dish connected to this TV, so we are doing only the antenna, that is the air. So we select air, then you come here, auto search. So as you can see, we have DTV and ATV. So you just have to come to DTV, press enter. It says, are you sure? Then you press OK. You just have to now wait for it to finish.